Welcome to Access Modifiers. Control your code's visibility. Here is what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Without access control, any part of your program can change any data, leading to chaos. How do we control who sees our code? Data can be changed accidentally. No control over code access. Security and integrity risks. Access modifiers protect data and define clear boundaries between code components. How is access modifiers used in the real world? Banking system. Protect sensitive account data. Library management. Control book borrowing methods. Employee database. Restrict salary information access. Access modifiers powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So what happens without access modifiers? All class members are exposed, risking data corruption. Look at how messy the code gets. Balance can be directly modified. Password is publicly accessible. No control over withdrawals. There has to be a better way. Here comes the solution: access modifiers. Look how clean the code is now. Encapsulates data, prevents direct access, enhances security. Compare the difference. And that is why we use access modifiers. Let's see how to implement access modifiers in code. Here is the implementation. Class declaration. Public class accessible anywhere. Public modifier. Accessible from any class. Private modifier. Only within this class. Protected modifier. Within package and subclasses. Default modifier. Only within same package. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. Which access modifier has the widest scope? Which one is correct? The correct answer is public allows access from any other class. What is accessible within the same package? Which one is correct? The correct answer is private is not accessible. Others are. What's the output? Which one is correct? The correct answer is private member X is not accessible. Which modifier allows subclass access? Which one is correct? The correct answer is protected allows access to subclasses. Here's a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.